So we're preparing this second chapter because we had a brief conversation with the CEO of Rehm. But now another part very important to consider in Rehm and why they're having this expansion as well in Mexico is to talk more about the commercial deployment. So, Mr. Michael, how are you, amigo?
Hey, nice to meet you. I'm very good and feel very convenient also with this situation that we decided, and we decided also for a long time. That means more than 10 years. We have here also the technology leader role in Mexico. Why? Because also our partners jumped in, our global accounts jumped in Mexico, and also the new accounts, they appreciate really our support. Our support means the solution, not only the technology, not only the software integration, this combination. And this is our business card to our partners, to our customers. And this is the reason why we also like, not only I say like to be very successful together also with the Mexican companies here in Mexico, also to solve together also the request for higher productivity.
Yeah, absolutely. It is coming to my mind that when you offer real solutions to the market or the users, in the EMSs,
Yes.
the people appreciate that and they start to look for you because they know you will find out a solution or the right answer that they are looking for.
We are solution driven. This comes also from our owner, from our founder.
Yeah.
Mr. Rehm himself is fully technical orientated, and he drives us also day by day, also with the focus on new development, on new innovation. And keep in mind, we are the first, or Mr. Rehm was the first who offer a nitrogen reflow soldering machine in the market. The first.
Yeah.
Yeah. And he starts also 1990 with this solution. And this is today also a standard. So nitrogen reflow soldering is a standard used, I think, close to 100% of the EMS companies.
No, and I mean, you keep innovating with different things
Mhm.
because I saw your presentation as well, and I see you have different systems, and you keep improving the market. So that is interesting. The people see that, and they say like, okay, I didn't know this, but sounds interesting. And now you're having those workshops to educate the personas in this new technology.
Correct. This is also our drive, our spirit that we transfer in our workshops, in our technology workshops that we have here in Mexico. And by the way, we do it in our own technology center, so we can also train also the people later on, also at different levels. And we have the competence. Not only the machine, we not only develop the machine, we not only build the machine. So we have the competence in technology. And this is, I think, the core competence. And this is what we gives us one step ahead compared to ours in the market.
Amigo, tell me how you do to go with a user or be sensitive, with a market. Because you need to hear first the market, the user, and understand what they're living and what they're looking for.
Yes.
Because that is an important thing. How you do it.
Listen to the market. Listen to the market.
Yeah.
And third, listen to the market. And also for sure be open to work with partners together.
Sure.
With institutes. We have also more than 5% investment in R&D. So research and development, this is also our focus in electronics. So that means we must hear it and feel it before the market understand what will be also the new technology. So we driven also from our partners, which we cooperate very strong. And this is our competence, and this is how we developed. Also, when we see the market, we are not only present in Germany, we are not only present in Mexico, we are also present in Asia. So each continent where the electronics is the same place where we are.
Yeah.
So, and this is also open the ears, open the eyes, and we also always offered a solution in reflow soldering with vacuum to reduce the voiding. This is also well established also in the automotive industry, where we have also here technology leadership in this case about the EV cars. Then we have also the vapor phase technology, this unique in the market. Why? It's patent. and it's like a sauna principle, very a closed chamber, very secure. So we
Hmm.
have a secure process,
Exactly.
and we hand over and transfer also the secureness. So
Yes.
there's no risk about this process. Why? Because the secureness and this development was done before from Rehm.
Yeah.
Last but not least, as you have also seen in our workshops, we take care also about the electronics after the soldering. That
Okay.
means also with our conformal coating and dispensing, yeah, we protect your electronic in case of a vibration, in case of temperature, in case of humidity. So we are also the expert there. So we covered also a wide range of the complete EMS process.
Amazing. What I think is interesting because, and I being specific right now in terms of commercial or the market deployment, because here is the thing: what happened when an OEM see that a manufacturer has RAM systems, right, to run everything.
Yes.
So that start to I mean, you can correct me if I'm wrong, but an OEM will compare that or evaluate what kind of equipment you have or technology are you taking care of the new regulations in the local market or things like that, right? Because, for example, we are talking about emissions in the US, for example.
Yeah.
There is new regulations, laws.
Yeah.
So you need to respect that. And how you are manufacturing all your equipment. So I think that is a very important step.
This is an important step. First, I can come back when OEM sees also our system. We have now a very, very good name in the market. This
Mhm.
is not a name. No, this is technology leadership. Technology leadership in case of quality and also an improvement process.
Yeah.
This we worked on this highest quality in the markets since 35 years. 35 years where we are the technology leadership in the three flow soldering market, now also with the vacuum. So,
Yeah.
second step is also, and this is also very, very important. We can guarantee the safe process. We are not the cheapest. We are
Mhm.
really not the cheapest, but our focus is the quality. This is what our customers expect from us: the quality, constant traceability, reliability, and this we can guarantee all the time.
Oh, that is the thing. If you're talking about just numbers, I mean, you can put the oven of your
Sure,
kitchen
sure,
and,
sure,
and
sure.
start doing that, right?
Yeah, we are not
No.
we are not the kitchen oven by the current producer. We will not be it. And also about the production. So it's very important to have a production where our customers. So this is why we have not only in Germany our production. There's the headquarter, there's the production, there's the R&D, but we transferred. And we are since 2007 in Asia, where we produce also the machines there for their market mainly, not only but mainly. And this technology was transferred, so we have the same level of technology quality here in Asia and also in Germany. And
Nice.
US also, here we have now our own subsidiary in Mexico, your own building, own technology center, and own production.
Yeah.
So this is the next step. And we are able also to be use also machines here in Mexico.
Wow. That is a scoop, I guess.
Yeah, it's a big step ahead. But again, we listen also to the market, also to support on an easy way to our main customers in Mexico. This is our core focus, where we see also a lot of developments on new products came into to Mexico. A lot of investments also from foreign companies. And sure, US is a market, yeah, where we also support also from the Mexican side. And I'm pretty sure also, I will say, not this is a trade war between US and Mexico. No, this gives us a chance here from Mexico to support also the Americas market.
Wow. Amigo, just to close the last part, what I want to know more about you is what is challenging about this? Because you have this challenge in front, to face that, which is how to present this technology to the users in Mexico. Because the people might think that is only the current market or the current offer that they can see. But when you're introducing a new product, it's important to invite them to trust in the equipment. Hey, try that, test that, or bring your products and you can try or something like that. What is your strategy or how you face that?
We differentiate to ours in that way that we start a few years before, where as the first to present our technology on a digital way. On a digital way, that means also that we are present in webinars. So also our customer can easily catch and collect all the time our information from the new processes, from the innovation that we can also hand over. Second is also that we very present in also social media. Social media, this is the new channel, in our opinion, also to catch also these customers. No time difference, and no language barrier, because also we always is translated, and also with AI you can easily translate it in each language. It's globally, and this is the fact how we act also globally. So everywhere our informations are available, we have for sure the analog way to invite also the customer to our technology center. We have that way that the customer will be invited for our academy, so train them. This is very important. We heard it also in the morning.
Wow.
That this is the competence that we can also hand over to transfer this knowledge, yeah, which is from time to time not in the market. So less people knows and understand also the electronics, and also the generation changed. Mexico and Europe mainly at the moment. And this is the case where we are so successful. Yeah, so change the technology via our academy. When we have also the digital form, also the inform that we are the webinars, and third is also the social media, where we do also together with our partners, with our partners, the material supplier, with our partners also big EMS companies, this solution. And these are the different ways also to support our new customers, our existing, I would say, partners. Why partners? Because we handle it not as a customer, we handle it as a partner. Sometimes they have also the situation, this is not so stable. Sometimes they must be sit closer together, and Rehm is always there, if it is a good time or a bad time, always to support our partners.
Yeah.
And this is differentiation to the competitors.
A differentiator. Yeah, you're right. Absolutely. Amigo, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much
Thank you,
for
Mike.
to do it and have this conversation with me. See you tomorrow in the discussion panel
Yeah.
about the future trends.
Yes. Okay.
Amigo,
Thanks a lot.
gracias.
Gracias.